Hello guys, I am Lewis from Limitless Media UK _ and I am here to present to you a brand new series called the £1,500 NURBURGRING Challenge. And what that is where I'm going to raise money for charity by embarking on a series of crazy challenges with a cheap budget car. The car in question is the car you're going to see now, the Peugeot 407 Coupe, and this thing has to, hopefully, get me all the way to Germany and around the world's largest racetrack, the Nürburgring, in less than 15 minutes. And along the journey, follow me through the array of challenges from start to finish that the car is going to go through and give me as well. So guys, it's all for a great cause. It's going to be an amazing series. Jump below onto my YouTube channel and follow the series now. This is where you want to be. It's going to be a great one. The charity I'm raising money for and making awareness for is Kidney Care UK. Those guys help support those struggling with kidney failure and kidney related issues at any age in life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and of course donate where possible to the charity. It's really making a massive difference for those that are struggling with kidney related issues. Hello guys, and welcome to a very sunny Wales. As you can see around us, spin the camera around, we are driving down towards Swansea, which is one of the only places in Wales that I can actually say properly. And we are going down to TTC, which is the tuning company in Swansea, to go and have a rolling road done on the 407 Coupe. It is going to be glorious because it's going to be two things that are going to be done by doing this. Obviously, first of all, seeing what power we've got and what we're going to gain out of it at a later point. And secondly, it means I can finally start fiddling around with the exhaust, the intake and all that sort of thing to really unleash and hear that glorious V6. Because if you listen right now, listen to how quiet it is. Kirsten, what would you say? It is so quiet in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
And actually, just want to mention, for £1,500 for this car is an unbelievable price. It is so quiet. That's obviously partially helped by the double glazed windscreen and side windows, but it is unbelievably quiet. And we need some V6 zest. So this is going to be the video before all that happens. So guys, we're going to get there. Join us along for the fun. A lot of my Instagram followers have voted on what they think the car's running as well, so we're going to have a little bit of a live interactive update with that as well. I've got my guesses, so has Kirsten. So let's get on over there and get this done. So 211 horsepower from factory, but we are now 17 years old. We have done 128, almost 129,000 miles. So obviously horsepowers are going to be missing, but how much? All of my lovely Instagram followers have voted a selection of BHPs, so I'll throw that on here now so you can see. They range from the factory power all the way down to 150 horsepower, so we're going to soon find out what that's going to be. Let's go. So we are indeed here, and it is very wet, but the Peugeot is in, and we're going to stick it on the rollers and see what we can get out of it. It's too quiet, too quiet. So we've been here for a little while, just trying to find the right fuse to unplug. So we can hear my car bleeping in the background, saying everything's faulty, airbag, ABS, everything's faulty. We just managed to switch off what we need to, so we can do the rolling road. So yeah, we are all set. My dashboard is like a Christmas tree. Doesn't like it. Cruise control, that's everything. Automatic headlights, triangle light. So I'm guessing 211 French lazy horsepower, and Kirsten is guessing 206. 206. And then also here, before it gets noisy, I'm going to put here now all of the votes from the Instagrammers. All you lot are on there, so we've got loads of times to go for. Let's have a look. going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you yet. You've got to keep waiting. You've got to keep waiting. That's the stock exhaust, that is. So that's the second run done. One's the final run, and the results will be coming out. So, these squiggles mean something and the result is in. So, 207.5 horsepower. So that is only 4 less than stock, which is obviously very good. But the torque, which we're going to work out in just a minute, I think is higher than what it came out from the factory with, which is rather interesting. So torque's higher and power is 4 horsepower less. So what a good job, and it didn't blow up or anything either. So, well, yeah, anyway. So yeah, what a cracking job. And that actually means that Kirsten is one of the winners, aren't you? Yep. And I need to check all the other figures and see who else got closest to it as well. So there we are, guys. 207 horsepower. So there we are, guys. The mighty 407 has not lost any torque from stock and only 4 horsepower. So what a result. Thank you very much to Ashley from TTC. And yeah, that is literally it. That is it done. And now we can begin the modifications. So thank you very much to Ashley from TTC, the tuning company in Swansea. What an amazing experience. His unit is also being changed over to a new unit up the road as well, so there might be a new location when we go back. But yeah, he was extremely knowledgeable, did all he had to do to get the car done safely. It was a great experience, so go and check out his socials, and here's a nice little photo of his logo here. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been a very, very good day in wet and windy Wales, and the 407, almost said 308, the 407 has been an absolute champ. Super great, it's got us down there and back, no problems. Had the absolute guts thrashed out of it. I think it's the first time it's been revved up that much, probably even since I've owned it and probably since new. And it's literally powered through and done it. And this is the beginning of where all of the engine modifications and tweaks, exhaust, etc. all begin. So finally, I can hear that glorious V6 rumble, because I've been waiting too long for it already. So guys, thank you very much for joining me in this video. For those guys who guessed, again, thank you very much for guessing. That was my suspension hitting the top of my arch. If you want to know what that's about, that'll be in my video about my... So if you want to know about that, that is in the H&R video install. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon.